In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pinterest for content marketing fast and easy. Pinterest can be a fantastic tool for driving traffic and engagement through creative visuals and strategic content placement. So let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Pinterest. You can easily find it with a quick search on your favorite search engine. Once you're there, click on the first link you see that takes you directly to Pinterest's homepage. If you don't already have a Pinterest account or you're using a personal one, consider switching to a Pinterest business account. This can be done effortlessly and for free. A business account gives you access to valuable analytics and other tools tailored for marketing. Converting or creating your business profile is straightforward, and once you've done that, make sure to claim your website, blog, or YouTube channel. This adds credibility and links all of your content in one place. Next, it's time to start organizing your content by creating themed boards. Think of these boards as digital folders for your content marketing topics. For instance, you might have boards like content marketing strategies, SEO and blogging tips, social media content ideas, or email marketing hacks. These themed boards help categorize your content, making it easy for your audience to find what they're interested in. With your boards ready, turn every piece of content into multiple pins. Using a tool like Canva is a great way to create engaging vertical pin graphics in the dimension of 1000 x 1500 pixels. Add text overlays to these graphics to make them stand out, such as 10 blog post ideas that drive traffic or how to repurpose content in 5 minutes. Once you've prepared your content visually, focus on optimizing it for Pinterest SEO to ensure discoverability. Add relevant keywords in your pin titles and descriptions, as well as board names. For example, instead of using a generic title like Marketing Tips, opt for something more specific like Content Marketing Tips for Small Businesses. Include 2 to 5 strategic hashtags such as #content-marketing or #blogging tips to improve your content's visibility. Consistency is key on Pinterest, so aim to post 5 to 10 new pins each day. Repurpose each piece of content into several designs with different colors, styles, or headlines to keep your feed fresh and engaging. For time saving, consider using Pinterest's own scheduler or a tool like Tailwind to automate your postings. Finally, it's crucial to track your performance using Pinterest Analytics. This tool helps you see which content garners the most impressions, saves, and clicks. Analyzing this data will enable you to double down on the topics and designs that drive the most traffic to your website. There you have it. A comprehensive guide to using Pinterest for content marketing effortlessly and effectively. Follow these steps and watch your online presence grow. Thanks for watching, and look forward to more insightful guides coming your way.